Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the topic of geography, which is population. So what is population? Population means the huge number of people who are living in a country, and that number actually recognized that the country is the area of the country, or we can say that the population resource of that country, it actually refers to it. Now in India, the population, according to India's population census of 2011 wise, it's 1210.6 million, and the area of our country, which is 3.28 million square kilometer area. But this entire population is unevenly distributed. 1.21 billion population wise it is distributed. Why? Because everywhere of our country the climate is not comfortable, or the situation, or like the people can never have the amount of resources which is required. So that's why we can see the most huge amount of population we can see in the area of plain regions, and as well as the next area refers to the plateau region, because all kinds of climatic comfortness, all kinds of availability of the resources are there. Now you can see I have drawn a map of India where I have shown the area Uttar Pradesh, which is actually recognized for its most populated place of our country. Then Bihar. But the lowest population of our country you can see in Meghalaya, and then Sikkim. Sikkim's population is 0.6 million. It's very low quantity. Now you can see Rajasthan's area is very huge, but the population is very poor in this region, and moreoverly the moderate type of population you can see in Tamil Nadu. But I have never shown all types of states of our country, but few places which can actually recognize the area where most population is located. West Bengal is not a kind of exception where most of the population we can see here. Now the important part of this chapter is few things I have already marked, like birth rate, death rate, health, literacy and occupation. What is birth rate? Birth rate actually refers to the number of live births per thousand population. Death rate refers to the number of death per thousand population. And what is health issue? In a country, if we want to develop the country, then we need to check the country's health condition, like how the people's, if there are any populations are suffering of any diseases or not, the cleanliness, etc, etc. Then the literacy, most vital thing. If the country's people are not properly educated, then they don't know how to use the resources, how to actually transfer them from a particular resource center to the utilized center. So that's why literacy is most important thing. Then occupation. Actually, occupation is the thing which refers the country's economical development. If the country's people are not properly educated and they don't have proper job, then the country's economical development will not happen properly. So another few things I have to describe, that is the density, growth and distribution. What is density of population? Per kilometer wise, how many people are living in a particular area, that is called the density of that area. Next, the growth, that means how much people's numbers are growing in a particular country, that is called the growth of the population. And lastly, the distribution, I told you, that is unevenly distributed. That means if you will see everywhere of our country, the population is not equal, because firstly the climate, secondly the physiographic condition, thirdly the availability of the resources, fourthly the transport system. So every single thing is co-related with each other. So this is our glimpse of this chapter. I can say that if you want to know more, then you must subscribe the Knowledge Flame, and you will get more and more interesting videos regarding your chapters. Thank you so much.